I'm usually a full glam makeup girly, but today let's do a demure makeup. See how modest my brows are? You need to use the Benefit brow pencil. Very demure. I am an eyeshadow girly. I know eyeshadow is not very demure, but I will make it very modest, very demure by using this e.l.f. quad eyeshadow. This is it for the eyes. Let's move on to the face. To keep my base very demure and very modest, cutesy, I will be using the Halo Glow by e.l.f. You already know this. It's gonna make my face flawless, but demure. For concealer, I'm using the Essence Concealer. I'm being very mindful because it's the same shade as my skin tone to correct. See how demurity it is? That's what you want. See how it blended into my skin? Very demure, very cute. For contour, to keep it very demure, I'm going a little bit, just like that, not too much. We're keeping it cute. The second concealer I'm using is the one from Juvia's Place. It is not too light to keep it very demure. Do you see how mindful I am with the placement of the concealer? Very demure. The blush I'm using is the e.l.f. Putty Blush. It's coming from within. Very demure. The powder I'm using to set the rest of my face is the One Size Setting Powder in Translucent. This is the demurest powder. Everybody should know this by now. To set my contour, I'm using the Morphe Glamour Bronze Bronzer, which is a very demure bronzer that got discontinued, unfortunately. Morphe, you need to bring this back so we can continue doing a demure makeup. Very demure product. I put my lashes on. It's not doing too much. It's very demure. Very mindful. The gloss I'm using, I'm keeping it very demure. It's the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Meadowline. Do you see how this makeup is very demure? That's how you do it. Very cute, very mindful. I hope you have a very demure day.